Good morning, students. In last video lecture, we have completed up to question number 3 of exercise 4.2. Today we will do next question and let us see what is the next question. Chapter 4, linear equation in two variables. So we have completed up to question number 3 of exercise 4.2. Now we will move forward. So question number 4, solution. Now moving to question. What is the question? See what information has been given in the question. Let us see. Question number 4. The taxi fare in a CTS flow for first kilometer is rupees 8. For fare for first kilometer is rupees 8, and for subsequent distance is 5 rupees per kilometer. Taking total distance covered x, find the fare y. Write the linear equation for this information and draw its graph. Now we have to draw the graph for this linear equation, and we have to express into two variables also. What? We have to express this given condition into linear equation. See, for first kilometer it is 8 rupees, and next then how much we for next subsequent kilometer will be 5 multiply the kilometer traveled. So here we have told that y will be the fare. So y fare equals to charge of first kilometer plus subsequent distance travel. In subsequent total distance is x. What? Here total distance is x, then subsequent distance will be x minus 1. What will be the subsequent distance? X minus 1. So fare y equals to charge for first kilometer is 8 and 5 subsequent distance charge 5. Now total distance is x minus 1. Y 8 5x minus 5, y equals to 5x plus 3. This is the linear equation. Now we have to draw graph for this equation. What will be the graph? See, find the coordinates. I am finding coordinates. If x equals to 0, no, if x equals to 0, y will be 3. If x equals to 1, y will be 8. For first kilometer charge it will be 8. If x equals to 2, charge will be 13. Now we have to draw the graph. See the graph. O origin, y axis, x axis, x dash axis, and y dash axis. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now 3 6, 9, 12, 15. Now see, when x equals to 0, y is 3. This, when x equals to 1, y equals to 8. Now when x equals to 2, y equals to 30. So graph will be like this. So y equals to 5x plus 3. Y equals to, this is the graph of y equals to 5, 3. This is 2, 13. This is 1, 8, and this is 0, 3. What? This is the 0, 3. This is the solution of question number 4. Now we will move forward. We will see next question. What is the question number 5? See question number 5. What we have to do? From the choice given below, the choice has been given below. You have to choose the equation whose graph is shown. In question number 5, you are given two graph and option has been given. You have to find whose equations graph has been drawn. So we will write the first. This is question number 5. Figure 4.6. Figure 4.7. First is y equals to x. Second, x plus y equals to 0. Third one, y is equals to 2x. Fourth is 2 plus 3y equals to 7x. Now, for second figure, the equation is y is equals to x plus 2. Second is y is equals to x minus 2. Third is y is equals to minus x plus 2. Next is x plus 2y equals to 6. Now I am writing the coordinates. From coordinates we will decide. Here coordinates are 0, 0, 1, minus 1, and 1, minus 1, and 1. For second graph, the given points are 2, 0, 0, 2, and minus 1, 3. These are the points given. Now we have to tell the given graph of is which equation. Now see, we will put, when we are testing 0, 0, in this y equals to 0, 0 plus 0 will be 0, and 0 equals to 2 into 0 this. But when you will put in this equation, you will get 2. So for 0, 0, this condition is not satisfied. Now let us see. We have checked 0, 0. Now we will check 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. When you will put this equation, this in this, what you will get? What you are getting is that 1 x will be equals to minus 1. So that in this equation, this condition for this coordinate, this equation is not satisfied. Again, this equation when we will put in this 1 plus minus 1 will be 0. So for this coordinate, this equation is satisfied. Now we will put this equation here. 2 will be equals to minus 1. So it is not satisfied. Here only this equation is for. अब now we have remaining x plus y. अब क्या होगा इस कंडीशन में, ये वाला भी सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है, मीन्स ऑल द कोऑर्डिनेट्स आर सेटिस्फाइंग फॉर x plus y. So answer will be x plus y equals to 0 for the given graph. जो गिवन ग्राफ है उसके लिए हमारा क्या होगा, x plus y equals to 0. अब सिमिलरली हमें यहाँ देखना है. अब देखो 2 0 रखते हैं सभी में, इसमें 2 रख देंगे तो क्या आएगा हमारा, जैसे ही 2 रखेंगे क्या हो जाएगा हमारा, 2 रखेंगे 2 और 0 तो y इक्वल्स टू इधर हो जाएगा 0 इक्वल्स टू 2 प्लस 2, 0 विल बी इक्वल्स टू 4, नॉट सेटिस्फाइड. ये पॉइंट इसके लिए नहीं हुआ. जब हम ये रखेंगे 2 0 इस इक्वेशन में, 0 इक्वल्स टू 2 माइनस 2, क्या हो गया, ये सेटिस्फाई हो गया और ये सेटिस्फाई नहीं हुआ है. अब 2 माइनस 0 इसमें रखते हैं, क्या आएगा कि y 0 minus 2 plus 2. Again this is satisfying. Now see here in question number 4, what 2 plus 0 equals to 6. Not, it is not equal, so equation number 4 is not satisfying. Now we will put 0 minus 2. What? 0 minus 2. अब इक्वेशन 2 में हम पुट करते हैं 2 0 minus 2. This is not satisfied. Now put this into this. 2 0 plus 2. Yes, 2 equals to 2. For this it is satisfied. Now again put this one. 3 minus 1 minus minus will be plus 2. 3 equals to 3. So this is equation number 3 is satisfying for the all. So here third will be the option. Y is equals to minus x plus 2. What? Y equals to minus x plus 2 will be the equation whose graph has been shown below. Now moving to next question, that is question number 6. What information has been given in question number 6? You see, if the work done by a body on a application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled. See, work done on a body is directly proportional to the distance traveled. You have studied this equation in physics, work, distance, force and work में. Now here force is constant. Express this equation in two variable and draw the graph for the same, taking constant as constant force equals to constant force equals to 5 units. and also read the graph. The work done for the distance traveled body is now now we have to find work done for the unit 2 for 2 units and 0 units from the graph. Now you have studied in physics that work done on a body is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body, and there will be a constant that is constant is force applied on the body. So let us taking work is represented by x and distance. Now work is y and distance traveled b x. हमने क्या ले लिया, वर्क है वो y है और डिस्टेंस x है. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन क्या होगा, y इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू x. y इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू x. अब क्या कांस्टेंट, हम ये लीनियर इक्वेशन नहीं, अब हम इसको लीनियर इक्वेशन में चेंज करना है. अब क्या प्रोपोर्शनलिटी साइन है, प्रोपोर्शनलिटी साइन को अगर हम रिमूव करते हैं, व्हेन वी रिमूव प्रोपोर्शनलिटी साइंस देयर मस्ट बी ए कांस्टेंट. सो फॉर हियर इन क्वेश्चन इट इज मेंशन यूज 5 यूनिट. सो y इक्वल्स टू 5x. क्या होगा, y इक्वल्स टू 5x. ये हो गया. अब हमें क्या करना है, ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है. सो लेट x equals to 0, y will be 0. Let x equals to 1, when you will put x equals to 1, y equals to 5 you will get. Let x equals to 5, y equals to 25 you will get. Now we will draw the graph. Y axis, x axis, x dash axis, y dash axis. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First coordinate is 0. I have earlier said when you are getting y equals to kx graph, for that one coordinate will be origin. That it means that the graph will pass through the origin. Now y equals to 1, that is 5, and 5 equals to 25. Join all the points. This graph is y is equals to 5x. This is point number C, point number A, and point number B. This is A. Now we have to find work done for 2 units and 0 units. For 2 units, it will be draw the line for the 2 and 1, 2 and 0. So for 2 units, work done equals to 10. And for 0 unit it is 0. For 0 it is 0. For 2 it will be 10. Now moving to next, we will see the next question, that is question number 7. But we will see question number 7. what information has been given? Yamni and Fatima as two students of a school together contributed 100 towards the PM relief funds. In question number 7, Yamni and Fatima, two students of class 9, together contributed 100 rupees. Write the linear equation x plus x and y. Draw the graph for the same. So two friends are in question number 7. Yamni and Fatima, two students. So their Yamni contribution plus Fatima contribution equals to 100. So let us take in x plus Yamni contribution x and Fatima contribution y. That will be the 100. So equation will be x plus y equals to 100. Yes. Now we will draw the graph. What? We will draw the graph for this equation. During the graphical representation, I have discussed one condition: x upon a plus y upon b equals to 101. So making this equation in this side, what we have to do? We have to divide by 100. Suppose ax plus by equals to c. You have a given equation. हमारे पास इक्वेशन क्या है? ax plus by plus c. इसको हमें क्या चीज में कन्वर्ट करना है? इस टाइप में. तो इससे हम इस साइड 1 करने के लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? c से डिवाइड कर देंगे. यस या नो? तो उससे हो जाएगा. तो अब हमारा क्या करना है? इस इक्वेशन में हम क्या करते हैं? 100 से डिवाइड कर देते हैं. तो x को 100 से डिवाइड कर देंगे, y को 100 से डिवाइड कर देंगे और 100 upon 100 will be 1. So x upon 100 y upon 100 equals to 1. ये हो जाएगा हमारा कंडीशन. अब हमारा ग्राफ क्या होगा? ग्राफ विल लाई इन फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट. हमारा ग्राफ कहाँ लाई करेगा? 0. इसको मान लो 25, 50, 75, 100. y एक्सिस ये हो जाएगा x एक्सिस 25, 50, 75, 100. Join the. This will be the graph of question number 7. Now moving on. Next question we will see. Question number 8. What is question number 8? C. In countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, where in countries like India it is measured in Celsius. Here a linear equation that convert Fahrenheit. In question number 8, conversion of temperature into degree Celsius to in Fahrenheit has been given. F equals to 9 upon 5 multiply C plus 32. Draw the graph for the linear equation. Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. So Celsius you will take x-axis and Fahrenheit will be y-axis. So let when C equals to 35. Yeah, C equals to, first you take C equals to 0. C 0 लोगे तो F कितना आएगा? F will be 0 plus 32. That will be F equals to 32. When you will take C equals to 15, F will be 9/5 multiply by 15 plus 32. 3. 27 plus 32, that will be 59. Take C equals to 25. F will be equals to 9/5 into 25 plus 32. 5. 45 plus 32. 77. Now these 3 points is in a, what will be the coordinate you have? 0, 32, 15, 59, 25, 77. Draw the coordinate for the given equation. Now, if the temperature is 30 degree, what is temperature in Fahrenheit? This is the A, now B. We have to find at C equals to 30 F, the value of F will be 9/5 into 30 plus 32. 6. F will be 54 plus 32, that will be 36. Not 86. 86 will be the temperature. If F is 95, what is question number C? F कितना है? 95 degree. F is given 95 degree, you have to find C. So what is the formula? 9/5 multiply C plus 32. 95, 9/5 into C plus 32. Bring 32 this side. 95 minus 32 equals to 9/5 multiply C. That will be 63. Multiply 5/9 equals to C. This will be 7. C equals to 35 degree. C कितना होगा? 35 degree. Question number third we have completed. Now moving to question number 4th of 8th. See what is the question number 4th of question number 8 is if the temperature is 0 degree Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? If the temperature is 0, what will be the temperature? अगर C 0 है, F क्या है? F equals to 95 multiply C plus 32. If C equals to 0, then F will be 9 multiply 5 multiply 0 plus 32. F will be 0 plus 32. F कितना होगा? 32 डिग्री सेल्सियस. कितना होगा? 32 डिग्री सेल्सियस. When temperature in Celsius is 0. Now F is 0. क्या है? Now F is 0. Now you have to find C. So 0 equals to 9.5 multiply C plus 32. 0 minus 32 equals to 9.5 multiply by C. Minus 32 into 5/9 equals to C. So C will be minus 160/9. कितना आएगा? Minus 160/9. Is any temperature where numerically the both are same? क्या ऐसा कोई टेम्परेचर है जहां पे न्यूमेरिकली दोनों सेम हो? What? We have to tell yes. क्या होना चाहिए जहां पे दोनों 0 हो सके? Yes, it is कहां पे होंगे? नो न्यूमेरिकली सेम. क्या दोनों सेम होना है? F equals to 9/5 C plus 32. हमें बताना है कि क्या दोनों वैल्यू सेम हो सकते हैं, मीन्स f इक्वल्स टू सी, f equals to c. Put this condition in this equation. F will be 9 upon 5 f plus 32. Now we will bring this side 9 minus 5 f equals to 32. Now what will be the condition? LCM will be 5 f minus 9 f equals to 32. What we will have? Minus 4f upon 5 equals to 32 minus 4f equals to 32 into 5. क्या आ जाएगा हमारे पास? So minus 4f equals to 160, f equals to 160 divided by minus 4, f equals to minus 40 degree Celsius. इसमें होगा minus 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे दोनों वैल्यू इक्वल होंगे। क्या है वो टेम्परेचर? minus 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस। Now moving to next exercise, we have to see exercise 4.3. What information has been given in exercise 4.3? You have to give geometric representation y equals to 3. y equals to 3 का geometrical representation और 2x plus y in one variable and two variable. 2x plus y 2x plus 9 equals to 0. हमें क्या करना है? इनका geometric representation गिव करना है। फर्स्ट क्या है? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है? y equals to 3 और यहाँ पे क्या है? 2x plus 9. सबसे पहले हम इसका देखते हैं। वन वेरिएबल मीन्स नंबर लाइन पे हमें किस पे ड्रॉ करना है? नंबर लाइन पे। तो y equals to 3 वी कैन ड्रॉ वेरी इजीली 0 1 2 3 4 5. दिस विल बी y equals to 3. नाउ टू वेरिएबल में क्या होगा? इट विल इन कार्टेशियन प्लेन। और हमने ये कंडीशन पढ़ा था कि कार्टेशियन प्लेन में कि जब y इक्वल्स टू b होगा तो वो पैरेलल्स टू किसके थ्रू होगा? पैरेलल्स टू x एक्सिस. दिस इज आवर x एक्सिस, y एक्सिस, x डैश, y डैश एक्सिस. ये हो गया 0 1 2 3. अब क्या होगा? जो हमारा गिवन लाइन होगा किसके थ्रू पैरेलल होगा? दिस विल द रेड लाइन इज शोइंग y equals to 3 graph. What? y equals to 3 graph. Similarly, here first we will find the value of x. X will be 2x equals to 9, x equals minus 9, x is minus 9 upon 2. That is 4.5. In one variable, the graph will be 0, 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. In the middle, this point will be x equals to minus 9 upon 2. What x will be? Minus 9 upon 2. Similarly, in two variable, when I have earlier told that when x equals to a, it will be parallel to y axis. वो किसके पैरेलल होगा? y एक्सिस के पैरेलल. ये हो गया x एक्सिस, y एक्सिस, x डैश एक्सिस, y डैश एक्सिस. 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. This is minus 4.5. So through here the equation will be. So this is equation of minus 9 upon 2. The red line is showing in Cartesian plane the graph has been drawn in equation in two variable and this on number line that is in one variable. Thank you. Have a nice day.